Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine, staying inside your homes. So, now welcome back in your EVS class. Today, we will do revision of worksheet 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, or 4. So, here you can see that I have given question number 1 is take the correct answer. So students, listen to me everyone. I think you all have got it, all the worksheets of all subjects. Now we will start asking questions based on these worksheets and based on your exam syllabus. So students, just look at here and just do practice with me. Question number 1 is take the right option. So number 1 is not a sense organ. Student, whatever worksheet you have, this option by mistake is wrong. So just it is hands. This is not a sense organ. So which organ is not a sense organ? Yes, this hand. Hand is not a sense organ. Number 2 is a dash fixes taps and leaks. Who fixes taps and leaks? Nurse, plumber, teacher. Yes, the answer is plumber. Number C is cricket and football are games. Which types of these games? Cricket and football. These are outdoor games. These are outdoor games. Next is dash is a champion boxer from India. Who is champion boxer from India? PV Sindhu, Saina Nehwal, MC Mary Kom. The answer is MC Mary Kom. Number E, we can feel the sharpness of objects with the help of R. So how we can feel the sharpness of objects? Yes, with the help of touching. So nose, ears and skin. Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is skin. Next, F. F is child labor is dash in India. Child labor India में क्या है? Child labor is illegal, fine or legal. This is the illegal in India. Next is G. Dash is used for making paper. Dash is used for making paper. Which thing is used to make paper? Tulsi, Brahmi, bamboo. The correct answer is bamboo. Next, Bajra and maize grows on. Where they grow? Mountain, plains, desert. The answer is plains. Now next question is dash sports involve two players who compete with each other to win a game. In which type of game they involve two players? Team game, cricket या individual? Yes, in individual type games there are only two players. Dash makes sounds clearer and louder. Which device is useful for making the sound loud? Sign language, hearing aid, wheelchair. The answer is hearing aid. Next is H. We engage in hobbies during our dash time. Which time we enjoy our hobbies? Working time, cleaning time, leisure time. Its answer is leisure. Next is a person who cannot see clearly at night or in dim light. So, those who cannot see properly at night or in dim light, that person has problem is night blindness. What is night blindness? So students, just watch this video and confirm about your answers and do practice of all the tick the right options. And this is the number worksheet 2. In the worksheet number 2, I have given the true or false. So just look at here. Number 1 is hearing loss can be because of infection or birth defect. Yes, hearing loss can be because of infection, ear infection or birth defect. Yes, it is true. Playing game is a fun activity that makes us happy. Yes, when we play games, we feel happy. Yes, it is also correct answer. Next is football is an indoor game. No, it is false. The part of the plant that grows above the ground is the root system. Which part of the plant that grows above the ground? जो प्लांट के ग्राउंड के ऊपर होता है, that part is called root system? No, it is called the shoot system. So this statement is also false. E. The touch that makes us feel happy is a bad touch. No, it is a good touch. So this statement is also wrong. The answer is false. Child labor helps children have a great childhood. Whatever those children do labor, they feel a great childhood. No, it is wrong. Differently able should be treated badly. No, we treat them very politely, helpful. So this statement is wrong. Next is rules should be announced at the end of the game. No, in the beginning of the game. Thus goodbye.